Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am.
Evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good
How are
evening,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am?
Evening, ma'am.
I want to show you something.
Ma'am, please mute everyone. This voice is disturbing a lot.
Good morning. Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, my dear students.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
I
evening,
should
ma'am.
put them on mute wrong.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening.
Ma'am, can you give me a minute? I did not do drawing.
Okay. Yes, as the screen was again and again shifting to, I will give complete view of this drawing. As the screen was again and again shifting towards the person who was speaking, I kept everyone mute. And if you want to ask anything, you can message me. I will immediately cover up. Okay. So I think time is up. And we shall start with the coloring because it's a big A3 size sheet. Without delay, let's get started. Yes. Okay. So first of all, we are going to do it with oil pastels. Okay. Take out your oil pastels. Keep your plastic crayons on one side. We don't need that. We'll be doing it completely with oil pastels. And erase extra lines. As you all know, the steps of oil pastels, after giving outlines, we are supposed to erase extra lines and make the drawing clean. Yes. Okay, clean this complete drawing. Erase all the lines of pencil and let's get started. First of all, I will pick up orange and skin color. Orange and skin. Take two colors from your color palette. Yes, and as you all know, that orange and skin, you can take lighter tone also. When we merge two colors, when we want to merge two colors, we always start with darker tone. So the very first step of this oil pastel is we make drawing. Second step, we give outlines. Third step, we erase all extra unwanted lines. Fourth step, we merge colors and fill colors. So when we want to merge two colors, we always start with the darker tone. Okay. So what I will be doing, I will start with the darker tone. That is orange. Okay, Anshika? Yes, yes, yes. Erase. You all have erased? Rest of you have erased and make it clean? Okay, fine. Okay? So those who have done, they will take out these two colors from their palette. It's beautifully done. Students are showing. I have seen last time also. And if you remember, we all took 100 stars. Okay, now take orange and start applying smoky. Smoky, it means like smoke. All around. All around, okay? Not complete. You will not fill face completely. I will be doing around eyes. Okay, around eyes, it means both the sides of eyes. Okay. I'm applying very smoky. It means very light. All around eyes. Very light. Smoke, like smoke. That's why I'm using word smoky. And here this shape of face, I can make little. Around trunk. Yes, this face, chat also I can see. Even around body, this garland, string of beads which we made. All around this. I'm applying orange, okay? Here. And see here, to show depth, I will apply lots of orange this side. Very carefully you will keep doing. And you all must be knowing the story of Lord Ganesha, how it happened. What is the reason behind that Lord Ganesha's body is of men, human body, and head of elephant. You must be knowing the story about that. All around. And see here. Here I will be applying big amount of orange in a curved shape. Okay. And as I told you, whenever we want to do two colors, we always start with darker tone. I want to mix skin color and orange color. Because of this only I started with darker tone. Yes. I just applied it all around. Very smoky. Here. Quite dark. Okay. This way. Even the fingers. From one side you can take touch of orange. Here I will put little white, pink, and as it is palm, I will just show it little pinkish. Okay, but give a touch of orange here also. And here I'm going to do it dark. Yeah, and don't forget ears and feet. Just a line because it will be merged now. And ears. In ears, you will be slowly and carefully. No need to hurry. Yeah, Nirvani, you please message me if you want to ask anything. Yeah, I will go slowly. I'm just applying orange and I am going to wait after that. Okay? Yeah. We are going to wait after that. Don't worry. Just applying. This is the very first step. And this is just applying orange. You keep watching how I'm doing. See here, in ears. Okay? Just to show depth. I applied orange more. See, outline I always give in homework. Okay? If we will do outlines in class only, so it will be nothing except wastage of precious class. So after making drawing, outline is always given in homework. Okay? But if you have not done, don't worry. You just keep applying, keep doing this. Without outlines also you can do this because we go for highlighting and how highlighting will cover up in that. Is this your first class? Nirvani and Arush, is this your first class? No. You have taken classes previous earlier also, no? Kindly reply yes or no. Arush for 1 month. So don't you know, beta, if I'm saying that we are going to do oil pastel, so what are the steps? Tell me this. You know? If I'm telling that we are going to do oil pastel, it means that you are supposed to give outlines. As we kept doing till last moment, every time. But if I skip somewhere, how many of you have done? Raise hands. How many of you have done outlines? Show your work. Show your work. How many of you have done? Yes, you can see. They all have done. As they know that if we are going to do oil pastel, it is understood that we are supposed to give outlines because we know the steps. That when we go for oil pastel, we draw, then we outline, then we erase extra lines. But if still not done, it's okay. Don't worry about that. Okay? Chalo, let's continue. And I will also take care that now onwards, with lots of care, I will inform every time that you're supposed to give outlines. Okay? I will also keep this in mind. Yes, orange. Apply orange and you can just see that how much where. You can see ears. I applied lots of orange. This side also. And you can see forehead, eyes almost cover up from both the sides. And face, here I took more than this side. Even in trunk, here I apply heavily this side, and here less. This side I almost cover as I want to show the depth. Because trunk is in front, body is behind. So to show that depth, I just apply my orange all around my trunk, around this laddu, because laddu is again in front, body is behind. So just to show this depth, I applied lots of orange here. Here also this hand is in front, body is behind. So to show that depth, I applied lots of orange here. Here also. Okay, fine, Shifat, you can leave and attend your music class. You will be getting recording, so don't worry, okay? You all will be getting recording. So you can just go through. Apply this. And as soon as you finish, see, this is the very important part of the drawing. See, where you get link for joining class now, on that only, a link is given where you are going to get recording. It is available there only. Okay, have you done? Please show thumbs up if done. Thumbs up. Yes. I can see many students are still showing thumbs down. I will give them 1 more minute because this is the basic beginning and very important part, how to apply orange color. And there are many stories famous about Lord Ganesha. Do you know the story of Kartikeya, the elder brother of Lord Ganesha and Kartikeya? Very famous story it is. Okay, done? Show thumbs up if done. Thumbs up. Okay, I can see many thumbs down. Yes, do. And those who have done, they will start with their skin color. What they will be doing? They will overlap their orange color. Okay, first you move your skin color on orange straight with bold outlines, okay, thick outlines. And afterwards, see, you're going to move your color round. I will be showing how. See, you will not move your color this way. It is wrong. Not this way, this is wrong. You will be moving your color minute dots. Each dot you will be repeating 4 times and the next will be overlapping of mixing. And after giving bold outlines all around, first give outlines and then move your color in circular motion. So I will be giving bold outline and now I will move my color round. Okay. I will be moving my color round. A link is provided. As soon as you click, you immediately get to recording. This is the way. This ways you will merge. Now see, what are you doing actually? You are actually mixing orange with skin color. Yes. And you can see dust. All of you see, when you will merge and move your color around, this kind of dust will rise. Immediately blow it off. Don't remove it with hand. Okay, हाथ से नहीं हटाना है because the intensity of this color is very high. So you will just blow it off out of the table, not even on your table. Okay? Yes, let's complete the whole body like this. First, you will go for outlines all around. We'll move your skin color over this. All around and go for bold outlines around your trunk. First, you will give outlines. Okay, around eyes. You'll be giving outlines everywhere around eyes. And after giving bold outlines, you will start with your mixing. Tusk, you are going to leave white. Okay, tusk, you will be leaving white. Yes, now it's time to merge. Move your color around. I will complete my face and trunk first. Okay? Take your own time. And your stroke should be perfect. Make sure your stroke should be perfect. No need to go for big, big circles. No. Small, minute dot. And each dot you will be repeating 4 times. 4 times. Okay? Keep doing. Move your color round in face. Let's complete face first. Okay? Yes. The only thing you're supposed to keep in mind, if your color is dirty, you will take a rough paper and move over that, your color. The color should be clean. Okay, otherwise what will happen? If blue or green particles are stuck over there, it will get merged and spoil your face. Finish. Merge. Minute circles. Once there was a boy. His name was Kanha. And was very lazy boy. Okay? Never worried about homework. Never worried about studies. Never worried about exams. Never worried about marks. Never worried about comments of teachers and friends. So, because of this kind of attitude, he was not able to score good marks. Good, he was hardly getting few marks in all the subjects. But once something happened which was not expected. I will complete second year also. Okay, first bold outlines and then, so because of this attitude, once the thing happened which was never expected by Kana. What happened in all the subjects? All the subjects. He got 0 out of 10. 0, a big 0. In GK, 0 out of 10. Hindi, 0 out of 10. Because he was least bothered about doing studies regularly and all. But that day, when this happened, all teachers, all friends, they started teasing Kanha. That, Bhaiya, you are impossible. Nothing can be done. And Kanha's mom, principal sir called Kanha's mom and said, if Kanha will not study well in second semester, we will remove him out of the school. And Kanha's mom, she was sitting in principal sir's office, feeling very much embarrassed. She was very upset, and even Kanha was very upset with himself. And he decided that moment that because of me, I felt my mom down. I make her feel down. I shall not do this ways. For very sure, I will change myself and prove that I can do anything. When they went home, Mama didn't scold him, but Mama was very upset. Kanha went to Mama and said, Mama, I'm promising you, I will change myself. Today I felt very bad because in father's office, I was looking at your face. I'm promising you, Mama, I will never let you feel down because of me. I will make you feel proud. I want to change myself, but what to do, I don't know. Mom of Krishna hold hand of Kanha and took her to image of Ganesha and say, you promise and request Ganesha, Ganesha, you be my friend and guide me. I want to change myself. I want to do something for my parents. I want to do something for my nation. I want to do something for my country. And Ganesha will be your friend and keep guiding you what is right, what is wrong. Kanha said, will this really happen, Mama? Mama said, yes. If you're determined that you're going to do something very big, you want to make me feel proud, nothing can stop you. Promise in front of Ganesha. Kanha promised and requested, Ganesha, I really want to change myself. I want my mom to feel proud for me. But I want a friend who can guide me. Will you be my friend? Then can you imagine what happened? When he opened eyes after praying wholeheartedly, he found someone was standing. Yes, Ganesha was there. And not in this kind of outfit, in jeans and t-shirt. But yeah, he was having this kind of face. And he said, Kanha, you called me and I'm here. From today onwards, I'm here to guide you. But promise me that you will listen me. Kanha immediately promised, I can do anything for making my mom feel proud for me. He felt very sorry that because of him, today, mom has to face such disgusting situation. Okay? Kanha said, okay, you promised me. Now, whatever I'm instructing, you will have to listen. Kanha said, for very sure, I will follow you. Complete tummy, the method is same. You will keep moving your color round. Are you finding this story very boring? Shall I continue or stop? Okay. Then what happened? Ganesha said, from today onwards, as your classes are going online, after doing your homework and your online classes, you will spend no time on mobiles and computer. Kanha said, Arey, then what will happen with my PUBG game? Ganesha said, PUBG? Are you playing PUBG? My God, from today onwards, you will not play. This is a horrible game and nothing except wastage of time. You will go out in open for cycling. After doing your homework and after attending your online classes, you will not spend even a single moment on laptops and mobiles. He promised, okay, Ganesha, I will follow you. Then they started doing same. And Ganesha instructed, from today onwards, you will go to bed early and wake up early in the morning. Be early riser. Because when we wake up early in morning, the positive rays of sun remove dust. You can see lots of dust is there. Remove it out of your table. Blow it off. Don't remove it with hand. Kanha started following. Ganesha scolded. Kanha, look at your books. No covers. Look at the condition of your books. Cover your books properly. Put proper name slips. Keep your things properly. Manage your room first. Kanha did the same. And you're going to eat healthy food now onwards. These are my instructions. Kanha did the same because he was knowing that Ganesha, whatever Ganesha is instructing, is going to benefit him only. And he started doing his homework every day. And wherever he found something difficult, Ganesha used to help and explain. Started eating healthy food. Started doing planning. Timetable. Started following proper timetable, doing homework on time. And slowly he started finding change in himself. A great change. And after a few months, final term exam took place, and everyone was surprised that Kanha stood first in all sections and the highest marks in whole school. And when he was called to get trophy on stage, he requested Principal Sir, "Sir, please call my mom and praise my mom. This mom is my inspiration, and I want her to come on stage and feel proud for me. Please call my mom." Principal did same. Mom came on stage and felt proud. Teachers were praising, friends were praising. Those who were teasing earlier, they all started praising. Then, because Ganesha was Kana's friend and no one else was able to see Ganesha except Kana. So afterwards, Kana went to Ganesha and said, "Ganesha, because of you only I got this first rank." Ganesha said, "No, you got first rank because you was determined that you will change yourself. Those who kept asking God, please, my first rank should come, give me this, God never give this. You ask for strength and courage, that God, please give me strength so that I can do this work perfectly. Then only you will get success." So this is all about the story. How was the story? Tell me. Yes. So what you got from the story? That if you want to ask something from God, you just ask for strength and wisdom. God has provided you everything. Okay? Finish this. And this leg also. I will be completing this also. Yes. And the palms. I will be doing white. I will add little pink. Little pink. I want to show palms here. And I will merge it with white. See, you can see blue color on my white. So if I will merge, what will happen? My palms will turn blue. So what I will do? I will take a rough paper and first I will move my white color over that. So what will happen? All blue will get stuck on that rough paper and my color will become clean. And then I will apply it over hand. It has become clean, round. Okay, I want the palms pinkish skin color. Okay, yes. Finish hands. Keep one thing in mind, that your stroke, your technique should be perfect. Okay? Yes, implement correct technique. And whatever the stories which I'm telling you, every time, be determined that this thing I'm going to implement in my life. Okay? These are life-changing stories. Let's finish this. I'm waiting for you. Take your red color and move over Trishul. Just light mark of red. carefully. And even Tika. Yes, Hina, what you want to ask? Message me. Okay, red here. And even Bindi with red color. Yeah, I will come to drawings of each of you. Okay, after completing little, I will look at the work of each of you. Okay. Yes. Now, have you done with? Show thumbs up or some thumbs down. Okay, you all, I can see you all are busy doing. Keep doing, keep completing. Okay, I can see many are busy doing. Okay, all of you show your work. Yes, show your work. I want to see. अरे वाह, क्या बात है. Beautiful. Very nice merging, huh? Wonderful work. Outstanding. The depth with orange, you all have implemented it so beautifully and very neatly done. Great work. Shabash. Shabash. Outstanding. Very good. I've seen work of everyone, Avnish, even yours. Beautifully done. बहुत बढ़िया. चलो, let now step on. I will be taking plastic crayons now. Only for eyes. Okay, only for eyes. I will be taking brown, black, and golden. If I don't have golden, I can take yellow ochre color also. And if I don't have yellow ochre, I can take yellow also. 3 colors of plastic crayons. Okay, and let's complete eyes. The inner circle I'm going to make black. Inner circle will be black. Fill black, plastic crayons. Okay? Not oil pastel, plastic crayon. Now, after the outside circle, I will be taking golden first and do in less than half. Less than half. In both eyeballs. Okay, only this much part. Only this much part. Same here. Only this much. Apply golden. In this outer semicircle. Then brown. And what I will be doing? I will move my brown over golden also. This complete outer semicircle I will complete. Move your brown over golden also. Okay? Okay? Same ways I will be doing here. and complete eyes. And complete eyes. Okay, the body, the work of skin color is done now. Now let's come on. Okay, fine. Okay. I want this complete string with red color. Okay, red. I will be doing it red. Carefully, because now on skin color, you are applying some dark color. So I'm not doing any mixing in this. A small minute particle, if drag on skin color, will create a big scratch of red. So you're supposed to, yes, eyes I will be explaining again. First, I took black color and I did this inner circle, inner eyeball. Okay. Then I took my golden and this outer circle I have now only in half. I did golden only in half. And then I took brown and I start moving my brown from here and I overlapped golden also. I move my brown color on golden also. This is the way of making eyes. Okay. Yes. Now I will be completing this. I will move my color round. And this behind. Okay, you will go this way. You will be completing this outer circle with red. Red eyes. See, red we normally use for eyes for showing anger. Okay, so you do one thing. You can, if you have, if you are using plastic crayons are erasable. You can erase and do the correction. Okay. I will be taking yellow, deep yellow, and complete this. Fill yellow. And don't forget to give outlines of black. Very carefully. As soon as you feel that there is dust, immediately blow it off. Okay, body is done. Take your pencil and just highlight your eyelids, eyebrows. You can see the color is overlapped. And because of this, the eyebrows are somewhere become light. Just scratch color. You will see you're scratching colors. Pencil. See, I'm sketching colors and highlighting. As I'm highlighting my lines of sketch pen, this step is called, only in face I'm going to do this. Okay, I will not do this in ears. But in face, eyes is actually the most prominent feature. These lines, black lines, I will highlight. eyebrows, okay? And if you have this black color, fill here also to show black, plastic crayon. Here with black color. Okay, face is ready. You can see eyes are looking so impressive. Now, dress. I want to do rose pink color. It's his favorite color of Lord Ganesha. Okay, and I will merge it with black. I will merge it with black, or we can merge it with blue and purple also. But I want to merge it with black. So when you are applying black, you all know black is very dominating color. Hai na? So you are supposed to handle black very wisely. Not even a small minute particle should go enter in this figure. Chalo, very carefully, smoky. Apply it very smoky. Okay. If you want to make with any other color, you can do that ways also. Purple is also a favorite color of Lord Ganesha. Yes. Let's continue. This ways. Yeah, blue with pink you can merge. But as see, two colors when we are mixing, we started darker tone. And black is the darkest in your palette. Okay. I will just applying. And I will merge. As I merge in body, I have taken this rose pink color, and first I will make outlines. If you remember, for face and body also I did the same. I will move my color straight all around. Okay, this ways. And students, now you are supposed to keep this thing in mind. Sometimes, if I forgot to say that out, if I've instructed that we are going to do oil pastels, it means you are supposed to give outlines. Outlines I prefer to give in homework. It saves lots of a quality time. Hai na? This is rose pink color. You can pick up any dark color. I'm doing with rose pink, and the technique is same, round. Move your color round. This ways. Okay. Very carefully start merging it. You can see lots of dust is waiting. Come on, blow it off out of the table. All of you with me? Otherwise, this dust can do blunder. Okay, for keeping your drawing clean, it's very important that you should keep removing. Complete this. Small, minute dot, not a big circle. And each you are going to repeat 4 times. Okay. Blow it off. Same here. I will move my color straight. all around. First, you will move it all around, and then you will start merging. Start merging. And then golden jewelry in hand, we are going to do with deep yellow. Okay, this ways it will be completed. Dust, see lots of dust. Remove it immediately. Yes, keep removing. I will be doing. Stop sending useless messages, students. Focus on your work. Don't waste your time in sending messages. Yellow, I will be taking deep yellow or lime yellow and complete jewelry. And at the same time, orange and yellow for making laddu. Orange and yellow. Now see, I'm going to mix these two colors for making laddu. So what thing which is we are supposed to keep in mind? We will start with darker tone. So orange is dark. So I will apply orange first. Little orange, not too much. Bas. And merge it with yellow. Okay, fill yellow color in laddu. Laddu is done. Okay. Now Lord Ganesha. So what I will do, I will turn it. Okay. And here I will be doing different colors. If you want to go for yellow crown, you can go for yellow also. Okay, if you want to show golden, you can go for that also. And if you want to fill different colors, it's your choice. Let's go for different colors. And first I will be doing green. Now as the space is very less, you can move your color straight. No need to move your color. Yes, green. Let's take second color, yellow. Move your color straight. Take blue or pink. Let's go for matching. Okay? Some matching color. This is rose pink color. Move your color straight as space is very limited. I can end with yellow again. And this line, I was not able to erase that day for highlighting when I made lines with sketch pen, as it was not giving clear view, but you are supposed to erase this line. It is left in my work. Okay. Now, diya. First take yellow and make a round. And fill yellow. Move all around and then merge it with white. Merge it with white. Okay. Yellow I will merge with white. Yes. See, this ways. I want to show orange flame. Fill orange. Move your color straight. The slight touch of red. Slight touch of red here. Okay. Commandu. And as I want to show this Pital ka diya, I will take white. And more than half, I fill white. Yeah, those who are raising hands, please message me. I will give reply, beta. I can't unmute you. Yes. Yellow ochre color and move on white also. Yes. Message me those who are raising hands. Please message me. Okay. Yes. Just light color inside the also. If you don't have yellow ochre, you can try bug color. See, this is yellow ochre. You can read the name yellow ochre. Okay. But if you don't have that, you can use bug color equal to that only. And otherwise, you can just put brown. Gia, you click on speaker view. Can you all see? Show thumbs up if you can see my file. Can you see my work? Okay, so Gia, you click on speaker view. Okay, you will be able to do. Now the plank on which Ganesha is sitting, I want to show it. Let's go for this only. Okay, yellow ochre. What I will be doing? First, I will go for spacing. All of you see how to go for spacing? Otherwise, don't go for spacing. Do colors directly because these are the simplest color. Yellow ochre and brown. I want to show it wooden. Okay. So what I will be doing? Apply smoky. From here, not near cloths. Okay. Outside. You will be applying brown only outside. This way. Smoky. I'm again using word smoky. Yes. Now, mix it with yellow ochre color. And if you want to change, you can try bug color also. Bug color will also look good. Light brown will also look good. You can change other color. If you feel then I want to merge it with white, you can do that ways also. Okay. So I'm going to mix it with, I will be using bug color, bug, B-U-G. Finish it, merge, move color straight on brown first. All around figure. Okay, move it straight. Move it straight around. First outlines, and afterwards start moving it round. Okay, start moving it round. For small space, you can just move it straight. And if you feel that you have space to move it round, you can move it round. Merge, I want to show wooden plank where Ganesha is sitting. Dust. Immediately remove it out of your table. Do with me? Yes. Now the background. I will come back to my plastic crayon colors. Now you can decide what color you want to put in background. This bottom part. Yes. Bottom I want to do green. Okay. I will be giving complete view of the file. I've taken green and just place it this way, flat. And just hold it like this and start moving. Yes. Start moving. Green. As it is shiny green and it's reflecting because my studio is having lots of light. It's reflecting, but it is green. It seems like white when I'm watching in my laptop. Okay, green. And upwards, I want to do yellow. Yellow is a very positive color, color of energy. I want to do yellow. I took deep yellow and I will apply it upwards. Okay, this way is only. Just move. Just put it flat and hold tight. And the place where you're holding it, and if your color is dirty, first just clean it on a rough paper. Okay, otherwise your wash will become dirty. And apply it all over. Actually, they're asking for recording. Where will they get recording? Yellow. Carefully, you will be doing this. Color of energy. If you want to give wash with any other color like sky blue, if you feel like to do pink, you are free to do. If you want to go for stripes, you can do. Okay? Background colors you can do, but try to do any light color. Otherwise, what will happen? The Ganesha will lose impact. If I will use dark blue color, so what will happen? Ganesha will lose its, the drawing will lose its impact. Okay? Yes. Yellow. And with this, wash is the most important part, you all know. And this way is your Lord Ganesha is done. Now see, a small red particle was there and it created a line. So you're supposed to be very careful. Okay? I just want to have a look. Please show your work. Wow. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Really praiseworthy work. And see, Sunday we have Ganesh Chaturthi. But this time you have your own self-created picture of Lord Ganesha. Even on Janmashtami, you were having. Beautiful. Vitali, show your work. Very good. Excellent. You all have done so well. Beautiful work. Outstanding. All of you pick up your sketch pen and write plus 100 for coloring. Plus 100. So this ways, you got 200 stars in this drawing of Lord Ganesha. Amazingly done. Merging, implementation, balancing, and especially the neatness. You are doing oil pastels and you all are managing it beautifully. So with this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye, students. Bye.